Good morning everyone, welcome back to my channel. Today I feel very good. This is actually the first day that I felt like a normal human being again. My voice is still not 100% back, but it is the first time that I've put on some makeup, I've took care of myself, I have a nice outfit on, and that's because we're gonna go out. I haven't actually been out apart from like going to the GP to get my injections that I've talked about and going to the small Tesco Express over here. I haven't really been out because I've been super sick, but today is one of the days when we're gonna go out. So now we're gonna go for a coffee for breakfast. There's a new coffee shop that opened recently and we love it. We've been there one time before and it's really good and really nice. So we're gonna go there to get a coffee and get some breakfast. And then we're gonna go to IKEA because we need to continue on with the new windows saga. So we're gonna get some curtains and see exactly, we're gonna have a look. I'm not 100% sure if we're gonna get curtains from IKEA. We might look into other options as well, but if I find something that I really like, we might get some. But that's the intro basically. Now we're gonna go out. I'm driving today and there's a lot of things that need to be done today, so I'll catch up with you later.
There's a new day that will come again tomorrow. There's a new day to wash away the pain. There's a new day to take away your sorrow and the old ways get washed out by the rain. Darling, you've got to keep holding on through the night, 'cause I promise you this: if you try to get some sleep, if you give up the fight, if only just for a bit, there's a new day to leave behind your troubles. There's a new day and it will set you free. There's a new day to get you through your struggles. I will always think of you and me. Darling,
We're back home and I am super tired. I gave my entire energy today and I was supposed to go to Tesco and get like groceries for the week, but that is not gonna happen. It's almost 4:30, so it's gonna shut at 5 anyways. But let me show you what I got actually. So we're gonna start with this curtain rod. The reason why we went to IKEA. My boyfriend decided we're not gonna do it today because he's also tired, so at least we have it. We chose this curtain. It's a sort of sheer. It's not like completely see-through. It's not blackout. They say it's like the second to last sheerness. It's sort of this olivey green. Let's see how it looks like. Who knows? We were thinking we were gonna get double rod and get like a thicker curtain and then have this one on the back, but we couldn't set on like any thick curtains. I didn't like any of them, so we're gonna go to other shops and see if we find any, and then we can always get another curtain rod and have a double one. We also got some food from IKEA because why not? We also had the hot dogs because if you go to IKEA you can never not have like either hot dogs or meatballs. And then we got a bunch of accessories for the curtain rod, but I don't think that is very helpful or interesting. Then I got some kurtosh, which is basically like this donut, hot donut rolled in either like coconut or walnuts, but I got 2 of these. I'm gonna put them in the oven because they're cold now. And super exciting, but I went to LUSH and I stocked up on a few stuff. I got the Lakes bath bomb. I got the snowy bath bomb. Is that a bath bomb? Yeah, this is a Christmas one, but it smells really nice. Then I got a rainbow bubble bar, a intergalactic bubble bath bomb, and a sweet pudding bath bomb. They all smell incredible. So we're all stocked up for a while. From Tiger, I got first of all this checker bag, which I liked. And then I got a bunch of candles, but like different sizes, different colors. I got some normal like white ones. I then got a few of these. And yeah, I think that's it. This one, and then this one. And my plan is to just light them up instead of using the nice Bath and Body ones, because otherwise it's gonna be a very expensive candle experience and I don't want that. So got a bunch of candles. I paid like 25 pounds for like a lot of candles. And that's it. We didn't get anything else. We spent a lot of time searching curtains in IKEA, and I'm happy I found this one. Still not sure if we're gonna get the second rod installed and get a thicker curtain, but we'll see how they look like first. But now I am gonna start on dinner and make the bread from today, because this morning I prepped a dough for bread, so I'll do that as well. But now I'm just gonna chill for a bit because I am tired.